friends, my name is Amit. Today I'm going to be your host, and today we are going to talk about the issue that we are facing in the Windows when we scroll our mouse from one Windows to another window, then the windows get switched whenever the cursor move to the other window. So sometimes we face this issue and sometimes it is an advantage as well. So today we are going to talk about how to change the setting to the default. So let's go. First of all, we need to open the control panel. We can open it from the run command by typing the control. Here we have to go to the ease of access. Again, ease of access. Now we have to go to the make mouse easier to use. Here, when you're facing this problem, this option is checked, and you have to uncheck this option, and you have to click apply, and then OK. And now you won't face any issues regarding it. I'll just show you. There are two windows and we are not facing any issues regarding it. So I believe this video is helpful to you guys, and if you face any problem, just ping it or just write it in the comment and I'll make a new video about that issue. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.